Good morning, students. Today's topic is on chordata by Dr. Yogita Ninama, Assistant Professor Zoology, SBP Government College, Dungarpur, Rajasthan. All the chordates possess three outstanding unique characteristics at some stage in their life history. These three fundamental morphological features include a dorsal hollow nerve cord, a longitudinal supporting rod-like notochord, a series of pharyngeal gill slits. These three distinctive features which set chordates apart from all other phyla are so important that each merits a short description of its own. Other characters also shown in diagram: mouth, anus, tail, muscle segments. So three basic features are very important for chordates character. Main characteristic features of chordata: first, notochord. It is a longitudinal cartilaginous rod running between the nerve cord and the digestive tract. It acts as a support for the nerve cord and is replaced by the vertebral column after the embryonic stage in all vertebrates. Second is dorsal nerve cord. It is a bundle of nerves running along the back and splits into the brain and the spinal cord. It is hollow and lies dorsal to the notochord. Third is pharyngeal slits. They are the openings which allow the entry of water through the mouth without entering the digestive system. They connect mouth and throat. All chordates have these openings on the lateral side of pharynx at some stage of their life. Fourth character is post-anal tail. It is an extension of the body to the anus. In chordates, the tail is composed of skeletal muscles which help in locomotion in fish-like species. It is absent in most of the adult chordates. Other characteristics of chordates include bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, means 3 layers, coelomic and segmented body. The body design is complex and well differentiated in chordates. The body has an organ system level of organization. Here is the classification of chordata. Chordata is divided into three subphylum. Subphylum first, second and subphylum first. Urochordata and cephalochordata is the phylum first and second, and another is the vertebrata subphylum. Urochordata divides into three classes: Larvaceae, Acidiaceae, Thalaceae. Vertebrata divide into two divisions: Agnatha, Gnathostomata. Agnatha divide in one class: Cyclostomata. Gnathostomata divides Chondrichthyes, Osteichthyes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. First, we describe about Acraniata, also called Protochordata, and lower vertebrates. First, we discussed about protochordates and also there are differences between higher chordates. Protochordates features are: notochord persists throughout life, no cranium or vertebral column, atrium, the space in between pharynx and body wall is present, endostyle is present except hemichordates, absence of a neural crest cells, pharyngeal gill slits are present throughout the life, heart chamberless, sexes separate. During fertilization, the sperm unites with the ovum. In higher chordates, mostly notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Cranium and vertebral column both are present. Atrium is absent. Endostyle is totally absent in adult stages of vertebrate. Presence of neural crest cells in the development of nervous system. Pharyngeal slits present in subvertebrates. Chambered heart. Sexes are separate. During fertilization, the sperm unites with the ovum in animal pole. Subphylum Hemichordata. Hemi means half, chordi means cord. Because notochord present in very little part of the body, melanoglossus is not included in chordata. It is now included in non-chordata. Its body divides into three regions: proboscis, collar and trunk. Hemichordata is a phylum of marine deuterostome animals, generally considered the sister group of the echinoderms. Hemichordates does not have notochord or a post-anal tail in their body, which is a distinctive feature of chordate. Subphylum Urochordata. Urochordates feature is test, which is called tunicine, marine, sessile, filter feeders. It's also called tunicates. The notochord occurs only in the tail of larva. Adults have retrogressive metamorphosis. The nerve cord is present in the larva. The gill slits or stigma are numerous. There are no true gills but are called branchial basket. Circulatory system is of open type. Excretory system is leaking. Sexes are united, that is hermaphrodite. Asexual reproduction occurs by budding. Some protochordates of class Acidiaceae, sessile tunicates with scattered muscles in tunic, solitary, colonial or compound, gill slits many, tunic well developed, permanent. Examples: Herdmania, Cyona, Molgula. All Acidians diagram are shown here. Different types, colored and marine. Class 2 Thalassiaceae, free swimming or pelagic tunicates with circular muscle bands in tunic. Salpians and chain tunicates. Musculature of the body wall is in the form of circular bands. Examples: Salpa, Doliolum, Pyrosoma. It divides in three orders: Pyrosomida. Example: Pyrosoma. Second, Doliodida. Example: Doliolum. Third, Salpida. Example: Salpa. Three diagrams. First is Doliolum, second is Salpa and third is Pyrosoma. Class 3 Larvaceae or Appendicularia, tiny, transparent, floating. Adults retain many larval features including tail. Only 2 gill slits, tunic not persistent. Include 2 orders, 2 families, 5 genera and 3 species. Example: Aeculopleura, Appendiculata. Their diagram shown in slide. Subphylum Cephalochordata. Cephal means head, chorda means cord. Cephalochordate features are notochord and nerve cord present throughout the life along entire length of body. They are also marine and filter feeders. The notochord extend up to the cephalic or head region and persist throughout the life. The nerve cord persists throughout the life but no brain is formed. Excretion occurs by solenocytes. The gill slits are numerous and persist in the adults. They open in the atrium and the true gills are absent. The body wall consists of myotomes. Tail persists throughout the life. Example, Amphioxus. Amphioxus diagram is shown in slide. This is of class Leptocardi. Body is fish-like, segmented with numerous gill slits, free swimming and burrowing. Lancelet called. Amphioxus is a exclusively marine and solitary, forms notochord and nerve cord extend the entire length of the body. Notochord, nerve cord and pharyngeal gill slit remain throughout the life of the animal. Limbs of paired fins are absent. Mouth is ventral and anterior, while anus is ventral and posterior. No distinct head but tail present. Mouth surrounded by tentacles, exoskeleton, head, brain, auditory organs and jaws are absent. Sexes are separate. These features are shown in diagram of Amphioxus. Thank you.